Now next in this button section we have one shot button. Okay, this is a one shot button. Now on this button I'm giving the same tag, this tag 1. Okay, this is B3:0/0. Now in one shot button, what happens when you press this button, this will remain on. Okay, now I'm going to run. If you press it, it will remain on. Now there's no way to turn it off. From the SCADA screen, it will latch the bit B3:0/0. This is one shot button. Now if I want to turn off this button to its previous state, I have to somehow turn off this bit from the PLC program itself. So there can be a situation in which you want to turn on a bit and you have some logic in which this bit will turn off after some time. So let's say if I turn it off manually by toggle bit, it will go back to its previous state, one shot button. So if I press it again, it will just set the bit by having just one pulse, by pressing it once. So this is a one shot button. You can think of its application in various ways, in which you just want to latch the output, then you don't want the user to turn it off manually, but it should be off itself when the process complete. So this is a one shot button.